Hey guys, let's check out Bishal Das, an incredible author with science fiction thoughts.
Hi, my name is Vishal Das, and I'm an author. You see, basically, I'm a student of physics. I have completed my Masters of Science in Physics from the Assam Royal Global University. I had a specialization in astrophysics and cosmology. I passed out in the year 2019. So, being a physics student, I have always remained keenly interested in science fiction genre. So, when I have got the chance to publish my first book, I wrote the novel in this specific genre. So, my book, it got published in different platforms through KDP, that is Kindle Digital Publishing. I have named it Lemia Howard, The Tale of a Space Warrior. The book is about a space warrior, about a common man, how he turns out to be something different than everyone else, how he turns out, under what circumstances or what conditions he had to go through, which has made him a space warrior in his later phases of his life. So it's basically a space adventure story. There are many things I needed to include, concepts from physics, but I tried to make it quite simple for my readers, and of course to bring out the beauty of the story, I needed to add some work of fiction as well. So that is how my book turned out to be, and it was quite successful, if I say, in that sense. Here is my book, if I can show it. So this is a book I was talking about. It's Lemia Howard, The Tale of a Space Warrior, as I have said. So yeah, you can find it in Amazon. It's available in Flipkart. It's available in Puthi, Puthi.com. It is available in AB Books, in Goodreads. So in different platforms it is available. If I talk about my present ongoing projects or works, there are some of them, but after publishing this book, I have also got the chance to publish one collection of 25 quotations of mine. I named it Experience, and it got published by Writers Scrum Publication. They have took the pain to publish my work, and I'm so grateful to them. Next, I worked as a co-author in different anthologies. Like I have worked with the 2am Thoughts. So their anthology was Aram 2.0 Hindi edition. It's available in in Amazon. So there I have written a Hindi poem on Ganga. Also, I have worked. It's a work in progress. So I have worked in another anthology, Athanasi. There also I have submitted 5 of my poems, and hopefully it's going to get published very soon. And if I need to speak about my ongoing work right now, it is a book of a collection of poems, so 25 poems. It is also going to get published by Writers Scrum Publication. I have named the book Rhythms of Life, where there will be a collection of 25 poems, all written by me. So these are some of the things that are going on right now. And also I want to thank Big Market Journal for giving me this opportunity, this wonderful opportunity to open up my heart in a way in front of everyone um, in a manner that has led me to speak all this about me, or else that would have been just you know um, I could not have been even think about this. They have approached me, they have given me this opportunity, and therefore this is what this is. So yeah, thank you Big Market Journal.
Here is the interview glimpse we have taken with him for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. First of all, we have asked him that kindly comment on the type of work you do as an established author who enjoys a worldwide acclaim and good reader audience. For this, he has answered that by being honest with you, I am very new to this field of literature. I had not even imagined to be in this field, although I loved it and I have enjoyed writing since forever. However, now when I am into it, and since I know that a pen is mightier than a sword, therefore, as an author, I can feel that quote. As an author, I have the power to hold a pen and a paper, and the ability to express my thoughts and views too. With the help of these words in front of the world, I should better utilize this opportunity to spread awareness to the people. I want to try to make people realize that what is wrong and what is right and what is negative and what is positive, which is definitely from my own point of view. Also, I want to try to contribute in making my country, my nation, a far better place with a minimized number of errors in it. Apart from this, I should mention that I was a physics student and a dedicated lover of cosmology and black holes too. Hence, my favorite genre of writing is science fiction, but I also love to write stuffs which are related to non-fiction things like poems and short stories. Next, we have asked him that what are your recent works? Describe them in brief. For this, he has answered that my recent works include a collection of 25 quotations of mine, which are listed under the title Experience. It got published after my debut book by Writers Gram publication in Writers Gram shop. I have also worked as a co-author in various anthologies. One among these is Aramb 2 Hindi edition, which got published by the 2 AM Thoughts in Amazon as an e-book, and another one is Athanasi, which will be getting published soon. I am presently working on publishing a book of 25 poems of my own, which I have named as Rhymes of Life, and it will get published very soon by Writers Gram publication in Amazon and Flipkart too. Besides these, I have also participated in an open mic which was held in Guwahati, where I have narrated a short story. I had written that short story on the biography of a paper. It is also going to get published very soon in one of the anthologies. Further, we have asked him that what are your plans for the near future and for the next 5 years, or where do you see yourself as an author in the next 5 years? For this, he has answered that since I was a student of physics, therefore I have planned to pursue my PhD in cosmology and to get myself into the research sector as a cosmologist within the next 5 years. Along with this, as an author and a poet, I have also planned to start writing upon the present situation of the people of a country. I want to bring up the burning problems of our day-to-day life in the form of articles, short stories, novels, and poems. I always try to make people aware and make them understand the present situation of a country and our world at large. Also, apart from this, my favorite genre is science fiction, so I am planning to make my debut book as a 3-part novel. In the near future, I am planning to begin to write the second part of the book, and it will be a lot more interesting. So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview coverage, and in the end, we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.